start again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So just a quick one. I've had a little friend mail turn up from my buddy Just Joe Nail Addict. Yeah, she sent over a few extras. I don't know if any of you remember, I bought some. Let me tip these out because you can't see them in this packet. Yeah, I bought these in silver. These are the big ones and these are the small ones, and they're just like little zip charms. And Joe got them in gold. I think it's a pack of 50, I think. So yeah, we just swapped. So she sent me those over. Aren't they cute? I love these. I'm actually doing a set of nails in a minute with these zippy zips. Don't know what I'm doing yet, but yeah, that'll be out. Might even be out before this one, actually. So keep your eyes out for that. And obviously Jo's not just going to send them over, is she? She's going to send extras. You're a bit close today, aren't you? So she sent me over these. These are just the pieces of foil. Yeah, these are to soak your nails off. They are. I can get one. Jo's done a video on how to use these, but they're just pieces of foil. They've got a bit of fluff there, and you soak that in acetone. You press that fluff on your nail and wrap it in. Soak your nails off. They're cool. So she sent me some of them over. So they're cool. And she's also sent over, look at these little bears. But there's something really cool in here that she did show me. Look at these. How smart are they? Little drippy drip hearts made out of metal, gold. They are so cool. I think you can get these in silver as well. They're so smart, aren't they? I've never seen them before. I like them, and they're not huge either. They're not huge at all. Look at these little bears, little kawaii bears. Oh, they're so cute. I love them. And she sent some glitters. So all these glitters are from A&A Glitter. Jo gets, I think she gets a monthly subscription, monthly mystery bag from A&A Glitters. And I think she's got a discount code. If she has, I'll leave the discount code below. A&A do some fantastic glitters, guys. So this one is called Juicy Fruit. Look at the colours in this. It's like a neon yellow and a kind of coral colour. It's really, really nice. And it's just a hex mix, multi-mix, whatever you call it. Love that. Then we've got Penelope Pink. So this is just all different shades of pink and purple. I love it. Very pretty one. Midnight Sky. This is nice. This is like dark purple, dark blue, and a light purple. That's a pretty one. Frozen Creek. This is going to be nice for Christmas. I can see this with icicles on it. Different shades of blue. Very pretty. Tranquility. Gosh, we've got pink, purple, yellow. That's pretty, isn't it? And this is gorgeous. Rose Pink Disco Hex. So this is a little hex mix, holographic. But it's got little like laser grid markings on it. How smart is that? That is very pretty. Super, super soft as well. Love that. And then we've got Fire Opalite. So this has got Mylar. I can see micro Mylar in that. And a matte orange, iridescent orange. That is a very pretty one. Very pretty. And lastly for the glitters, again this one's got micro Mylar, Poison Fantasy, but this has got a green hex mix in with it. That would look really, really nice on a Halloween set, wouldn't it? Very pretty. Really, really nice quality glitters. Right, and lastly from my friend mail, she sent over this silicone mat. Because we're going to try something. And these silicone mats are brilliant for just practicing your nail art, because it's silicone. You can just peel it straight off. I'm not sure what these grids are for. I'm not sure what they're for. But I like it. This would be brilliant for beginners to practice nail art and stuff. Cool. So I'll just show you a few bits I've got from AliExpress as well. Firstly, I ordered these. No, I didn't order these. I ordered these cutters, and they've got like a circle thing on here, so that when you're snipping your nails, it does them all the same length. I'll stick a picture up on the screen actually of what these were supposed to be. I have got my money back for them, because this is not them, and they took weeks to get to me, so I was really disappointed when it turned up without the dial. So yeah, I've got about frigging 10 pairs of these. I really did not need them. I just needed the dial, so I'm really gutted about them. Anyway, it is what it is. I got myself another jelly gel, extension gel, and I've got these in all the colours. I've collected all the colours, and I've just started to collect the shimmery ones. However, they have disappeared off the face of the earth. I cannot find them. These, I can't find them. And this one is pearl white, and it is beautiful. I've not swatched it yet, and it's like very pale pink, but it's got like a shimmer going through it. It is stunning. And they've got these shimmery ones in about 10 different colours, so I thought I'm going to start collecting the shimmery ones now. Gone to order some more. When this turned up and I saw it, I went straight on to order some more colours, and they've all disappeared. Every single store that was selling them has gone, so I don't know what's happened, but yeah, they've been took off. Right, I also got, these are off Shein. I got myself a couple more folders. Let me just open them. So this is the one that I use for my big stickers. I've got about 10, and every time I get close to filling one, I just order another. So these ones open from the top, and you can put quite big stickers in these. One in the front, one in the back, and you can get these folders where they're cut down the middle for smaller stickers. So I got that one for stickers, and I got another one for decals. So this fits, gosh, you can put 3 decals in the front, and then you can put 3 in the back, so each page holds 6. But what I do with these, I hate these little things. I cut them off. I don't like them. They just get in the way, I think. And they stay shut. You don't need them to hold them shut, because they stay shut. Once you've folded them, they stay shut. And they just bug me. I wish I could get this button off, but I just prefer it without the strap. So I got a couple more folders. I got some stickers. Look at these. I love these. I got this for the cow print ones. I've got a set I want to do with them. I love them. I'm really happy with them. Look at these Halloween ones, guys. How cute are these? I did a set of Halloween nails last year with this ghost. I hand painted it exactly the same. We've got drippy drips, balls, sweets, little skulls, little pumpkins, pink bats, pink moons. Perfect stickers for a Aggie Halloween set, aren't they? I love them. And these as well. Oh, I love them. I love this with the rainbow in the glasses and the pink bow. Oh yes, I like these a lot. Even the spider's got a little pink bow. Oh look, I love these. I really love these. So I got them, and I also got a glitter, because one thing I haven't got is I haven't got a lot of metallic glitters. Mine are all holographic. So I got this one. This is actually chameleon, and it shifts to a silver. It shifts to a silver colour, and it's just a really pale blue. Again, beautiful for Christmas, winter, icicle nails. And they sent a free gift, pretty things inside. This is just a little holographic, iridescent, transparent type thing. Cute, I like it. I'll show you a couple of quick things I got off Amazon. I got myself another Architect polygel, because I really like them. If you like polygel that's quite stiff, then you will love Architect. And look at their new packaging. Isn't that something else? Really, really smooth, sleek tube. This is a 60 gram as well. I have swatched it, I think. Yes, so that's the colour of it there. Really, really nice pale pink. It's not transparent or anything. These are a dream to use, these Architect polygels. They're not too stiff, but they're not soft, they're not sticky. They are really, really nice to use. So I'm going to collect a few more colours of them. I really, really like them. And also off Amazon, I got myself a pack of little mini buffers. I didn't realise how small these were. They're teeny tiny little things. Look at the size of these. But they actually feel quite nice. They do. They feel like maybe like a 100, 180 standard kind of buffer. They do feel quite nice. And I get through buffers so much. So I like them. Right, one last thing I got off Amazon. I got these. These are regular gel polishes, which I don't use. I do use during the summer on my toes, regular nail polish. But I got these because I thought I could use these for reverse stamping. You know, when I've stamped an image, I can use these to colour it in. Because I don't have a lot of colours in stamping polish. So I thought I'll get them and use them for reverse stamping. So yeah, it's a nice little neon set. And they've got, for anybody that does use regular polish, they've got these in so many different collections. They've got some really, really smart collections. Right, I'm going to leave it there, guys. I'll leave all links below. Yeah, that's it for today. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. And hopefully you'll all be back in my next one. Take care. Bye.